Over the past several months, I've been asked the same question over and over.
Did you die? Is he dead? Where are you? He's dead. Not
Ryan.
anymore.
Rest in
There's a
peace,
beam
Ryan.
behind.
God,
I'm
too
getting
soon.
sick of your
The
jokes.
truth is, yes, I am dead. But I came back as a ghost because I never got to say goodbye. And I have to update you on my beard progress. You think I just died? You can't kill me. Well, actually, moments ago, I almost just died from a wasp. You can watch the video clip here. I forgot to record sound, so. But hey, just pretend it's me going, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, look at that huge big wasp. That's about how it was. My beardless brethren, it has been a hot minute. Look at how many new plants I have. This is truly an exciting and exhilarating day. Now, I'm sure you missed me. I've certainly missed you. But you're not here for me, are you? You're here for my facial hair. Psst. Be patient. We'll get there, okay? How are you, beardless brethren? Let me know in the comments how you're doing. I've been better. Life is crazy, but I've got a job now. I'm graduating in like a month, so that's exciting. And I just want to apologize for putting this channel on the back burner. It's not something I intended on doing. I remember when I started the channel, I was like, I'm not going to be one of those MINOXIDIL channels that like falls off the face of the earth after 6 months. Yeah, sorry. I've decided at the very least, no matter what, I will be trying to upload at least a single video every week, just so you can keep track of my progress. Once I graduate, which is less than a month now, oh man, I will have a lot more time to dedicate to doing this, so just until then at least, one video a week. I think I've discussed this before on my channel, but making a MINOXIDIL channel was never my ultimate goal. Like, I never thought that I would be making videos about my hair. What I'm really, truly passionate about is film. And I really, really want to start a film channel on YouTube. So I'm going to put a little poll wherever the polls go. If I started a film channel, would you be interested enough in who I am to actually watch it? And if not, that's fine. I'll keep making some videos here. I should introduce you. This is Adam. This is Bernice. These three don't have names. So, but yeah, Adam and Bernice. I know you missed me. I'm still all over the place like I always was. What'd you think of my April Fool's prank, huh? Pretty good. I've legitimately been saving that for an entire year. I thought about it last May and was like, darn it, I should have done that. Well, I hope it gave you a laugh. Now, I've been keeping you waiting for probably 5 months, so I won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's look at my face. Whoa, whoa, okay, we've done this before. Back up, all right? Okay, you can be rusty, but don't be rude. So this is actually much longer than I like to keep my facial hair, but I'm growing it out for a theater show, so it's really long. I've probably been growing it for about 2 months now, and it actually had a little bit of hair when I started growing it out, so, you know, it's pretty long. It's still pretty patchy, definitely on my under chin, and definitely within the sides of my cheeks. I feel like not a ton has changed since the last time I updated you. I think the length of the hair is actually disguising how patchy my face still is. For a long time, I wasn't using MINOXIDIL every day consistently, but then I started doing it consistently at least once per day, sometimes twice. Hold on, the wasp is back. Where did it go? And since I started doing that, a lot more vellus hairs have started coming back, which, I mean, that's the point of MINOXIDIL. I don't know why I got off, but anyway. So now there's more vellus hairs on my face, and I'm really, really hoping things start becoming more terminal in the parts that are still super patchy, like under my chin. As soon as the theater show I'm in is over, I'm going to be shaving my face almost down to my bare skin. It's been a long time since it's been that short, and I kind of want to see just what it looks like when my hair is really short on my face. I also got a haircut, I think, a long time ago, but it's also been about like 2 months since I got my last haircut, so I'm gonna get a haircut again soon. Wow, so many changes, beardless brethren. I hope you can keep up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being patient with me in my long hiatus. I really don't intend for things to get that long again, but thanks for being patient with me in the wait. I hope your beards are growing well, and I hope you're doing well. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Oh, my back. I'm 22 with the back of a 60-year-old.